Pranam. So welcome back to Reset Yourself with Hita, and I hope you all are enjoying the journey. I know it will take a lot, but I assure it will make a big difference too. Self-correction. And why it is important? Because the life in front of us is much more important than the life behind us. We started this 7-day series from a very simple question. What is the purpose of education? And the answer is growth. And self-correction is really mandatory in the growth process. So respect yourself, correct yourself, and I'll say protect yourself. Personally, I respect myself when I keep my ego aside. I apologize, I accept my mistakes, my faults, I apologize and I correct my behavior, and believe me, it's really very satisfying. It gives you a kind of peace. So C1, commitment, C2, connection, self-connection, and C3, correction, self-correction. And I used to say correct yourself, protect yourself. It's really important. So today is the day for C4, and C4 is, I'm gonna tell you. Before that, sometimes I look around and I observe that people spend a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money for their looks, for their physical presence. Nowadays, everyone is so conscious what they are wearing, about their attire, their skin, their hair, their eyes, their face, everything regarding their looks. But at the same time, don't you think it is more important how we are feeling? Even I think in the first episode, I told you that for me, growth is not when I am looking like a king. I feel growth when I am feeling like a king. क्योंकि मैं कई बार कहता हूँ कि आप इस दुनिया में केवल दिखाई नहीं देते, आप इस दुनिया में महसूस भी किए जाते हैं. लोग आपको सिर्फ देखते नहीं हैं, लोग आपको महसूस भी करते हैं. We transfer a kind of energy in this world. We all are channels. We spread either positive or negative energy in this world. We emit a kind of radiation. We radiate something in this world. We carry an aura with us. It's really very important that how people are feeling about our vibes, how people are feeling about our aura. Is our presence is really positive? It's really important, and again, it is a part of growth process. So the C for today is care, commitment, connection, correction, and care, self-care. And care not just for your looks, for your inner self too. Now the simple question, because I have to be to the point, simple question, how we can take our care, how we can take care of our inner self. It's really very simple. Like how you take care of your face. That is actually the most important part of your looks, your personality. So everyone, even me, I do take care of it. Very simple. There is a routine, right? CTM, cleaning, toning, and moisturizing. The simple skincare routine. Likewise, we can take care of our inner self. Cleaning, toning, moisturizing. Clean your inner self, tone it, and then moisturize it. I tell you how. The very first process in the daily care routine. And one more thing, whatever we are adhering or we are trying to adhere in life, it should be applied in life with persistence. It will take time to be effectful, to be impactful. So keep patience and keep practicing it. One day you will be perfect. So the first thing in the everyday care of your inner self is cleaning. Clean your inner self. There are a number of ways. Again, meditate. You can meditate, you can chant, you can read good stuff. It's really very helpful. You can listen to someone, listen to some positive content. But one thing I'll repeat again, whatever you do, it should be a continuous practice. Only then it will be impactful. Then it will bring some change. And if you ask me, then I'll suggest, and I find it the most powerful way to clean my inner self is, stay tuned, stay aligned with nature. It's like developing a harmony with nature. Spend some time in the lap of nature. Look at these refreshing plants, beautiful flowers. These trees, they are the real healers. They are the natural healers. Spend some time with them. And one big thanks to this lockdown period, that Mother Nature is smiling. Mother Nature is so happy. It's singing, it's dancing, it's smiling in the form of beautiful flowers. Cool wind is blowing. It's so refreshing, it's so rejuvenating. So the very first thing is clean your inner self. And how to clean it? You can chant, you can meditate, you can sing the glory of divine, you can read good stuff. But my advice is, at least few minutes spend in the lap of nature. It's like stay tuned with nature. Develop a harmony with nature. It's really helpful. It's amazingly beneficial. It's my personal experience. I'm just sharing it with you. Clean yourself every day. As you take bath every day, as you take care of your skin, your face, your looks every day, likewise, take care of your inner self every day. And its first thing is cleaning. Clean your inner self. Second thing, tone it. And what is the way? Do some good deeds every day without reason. Don't find a reason to do good. Doing good should be your habit. Doing good should be in your nature. It's like toning your inner self. You can clean your inner self with good thoughts, and you can tone your inner self with good deeds. And personally, I feel when there is charity without reason, when you don't expect something in return, when it's not something under a give and take scheme, when it's not like a business deal with God, you are doing it just for the sake of doing good. You are doing it because God has given you chance. God has made you capable to do good. I think it's enough. आपको नहीं लगता जब आप कुछ अच्छा करते हैं तो अच्छा करने से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ये सोचना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आप अच्छा कर पा रहे हैं. जब हज़ारों लोग मांग रहे हैं और आप दे रहे हैं, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि ये अपने आप में एक बहुत खूबसूरत एहसास है कि उसने आपको इस समय देने लायक बनाया है. जब भी आप कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, मुझे नहीं लगता उसका कारण ढूंढिए. अच्छा करने का कारण मत ढूंढिए. एंड डोंट expect anything in return. Thou, Mother Nature, is really very benevolent. What you are putting as a seed, it will definitely come back to you. In some other way maybe, but it will definitely come back to you. But do good for the sake of doing. If you do so, if you adhere this trait, believe me, charity, when it's done without reason, it brings clarity. And for me, clarity is power. So first of all, clean yourself, spend some time in the lap of Mother Nature, look at these beautiful flowers, talk to them, try to sense what they are telling you. Sit some time under the shadow of these big huge trees. They are the best healers in the world. They can detoxify you. Believe me, they can do this. They do it. Try it. So clean yourself, and I told you other ways too. You can read good stuff. You can listen to something good content. You can chant. You can meditate. There are a number of ways, but whatever you are doing, it should be done in persistence. It should be a continuous practice. I am repeating again. Only then it would be impactful. It will bring some difference. That would be evident to even you. Number 2, tone your inner self. How? With some good deeds, but good deeds without reason. Those good deeds should not be under the give and take scheme. It shouldn't be a business deal with God. It is you are doing because you can do, you are able to do. That's it, and it is enough. And believe me, it is coming back to you. It is not an expenditure, it's an investment. It comes back with a huge return. And the final thing, cleaning, toning, and the final and the important thing is moisturize your inner self. And what is the way to moisturize your inner self is, I feel it's gratitude. When gratitude is the attitude, because you are able to think good, because you are capable to do good, I think it's the enough reason to pay the gratitude to the divine. My favorite line, मेहरबान मेहरबान साहिब मेरा मेहरबान. It is my life energy. You can say it's my energy drink. It energizes me. It rejuvenates me. Please try it. Experience it. Cleaning, sitting in the lap of nature. Toning, do something good without an expectation of return. Moisturizing, because you are able to think good, do good, pay gratitude. So C1, commitment, C2, connection, C3, correction, and C4 is care. Practice this self-care, come out of toxic energy and prioritize your inner well-being, wellness. Thank you. Pranam.